Dyma rhywbeth nes i cael I penblwydd fi.
Let's go for this one.
Dyma PlayStation remote fi. I will always bring a Lego set with me.
Mae sut gymaint yn digwydd ar camp. Mae pob dydd yn cyfarfod neu ymarfer.
Everyone has their different ways, coping mechanisms.
Mae'n neis mynd nôl i'r stafell ar diwedd y dydd a just cael pethau I switcho bant.
This is what I do.
So this is my journal.
Fi'n just hoffi chwarae gemau fel FIFA, Fortnite.
I started journaling about 2 years ago.
It's always been something that I've been passionate about. Dwi'n eistedd am hours yn chwarae and switch it off o pêl-droed. I think it's a good way for me to just take my mind off all the busyness that goes about and just not think. Fi wedi bod yn chwarae gemau pryd fi'n ifanc I nawr, so yeah, 25 a fi'n still yn chwarae, so ma' raid fi grow up fi'n credu, yeah. Even though it's literally plastic bricks.
For me, it's about starting the day and ending the day, self-reflecting of how the day and experiences went. So I would say this is probably massive for me.
Dyma rhywbeth dwi'n credu bydd yn helpu fi gymaint yn yr Euros.